Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a lead capture form using SendFox. First, go to sendfox.com, create your account, and on the dashboard, click on Forms. Then click on Create Form, and right away you can see the SendFox Form Builder. Let's start by the name to your form, so let's write Lead Capture Form. And then you have the option to add a URL where people will be redirected to after they submit to your form. You can also enable this option, which requires GDPR consent, by just clicking on this checkbox. Next, select a list to add your subscribers. So you can just select an existing list or create a new one by clicking on this button that says Create New List. So you can do that if you want. Next, you can also enable invisible reCAPTCHA if you want. Next, over here, if you want the form to be embedded on your site, you gotta make sure that you add the domain of the website where you want or where you allow the form to be embedded. So for us, we have the businessblocks.com. Then you just select the fields that you want to add to the form. So we want a field for the first name, a field for the last name, and since this is a lead capture form, it has the email field by default. And that's it. That's really simple, and that's what makes SendFox unique from the other platforms. As you can see in this form preview over here, it's a very simple and straightforward form builder. Compared to the other platforms, there's much less customization here. And now if you want to publish the form, click on Publish Form. And right away, you are given the code that you can copy and paste on your website. So go to your website, add the block where you want to paste it. So code, paste the code over here, and then check how it looks like once embedded. Let's see. So we just scroll down, and there it is, a very simple lead capture form created with SendFox. If you're into minimal and basic stuff, this lead capture form may be right for you. So go ahead and try it yourself.